Yo, check this out. Dude. Like this doesn't even show you what I did. But cool thing, man. It's like 2 feet of crap, dude. Again, so this is what I did. Did all that. All of this, all the tombstones are done. All this. All this. Again, I did all the markers. Did all this. Everything you see, the markers, the tombstones, I did. And it's old stuff there, dude. I don't know what the hell happened to this one, but yeah, I was gonna do this one too. Anywho. But yeah, I wonder if there's like a body over here. I think this body is cub bodies, dude. But what's this? Why is this burnt here? Weird. I could put a body. But anyways, what the freaking frack, dude? I just did this. Ugh! But again, this is what I did this whole entire dark flat area, dude. Again, I did all the graves. Almost got a gas too, I'd say. That's all he's doing too, with that landscapers to do that crap. But dude, this is ridiculous. This is my pile of crap so far. I have a 50 gallon trash bucket thingy that cans need to get put in and stuff. But again, this all has to go through so I can finish blowing my next project. Is up on that embankment berm that leads into all of the sections with the unmarked graves. Somebody mentioned that it could be cremation. I don't know, either way, they're just buried in a number. So far it goes up to D, I believe.